next is a terminal block. So it's a tool used to safely connect two or more wires together. So splice connectors are plastic clips used to make quick splices or connections within the two or more pieces of wires. So this is splice connectors. So next is conduit bender, a tool used to in conjunction with a very long lever used to bend angles or conduit electric wires. So next is that voltage tester. So it's a piece of electric equipment used to determine the presence of voltage, how low or high voltage it is the wire in the wires. So that's all our basic electrical maintenance tools, hand tools. So any clarification, class, about our discussion? Any questions? Okay, it's clear, it's very understandable. So class, in our application you need to draw a one tool that you like most and present it to the class. So you need to draw at least one tool. I give you 10 minutes to draw that and 2 minutes in presenting here in front. Okay, let's, time starts now. Okay, time's up. So you first. Okay, that is voltage tester. Okay, very good. Your drawing is very good. Okay, so that is Phillips screwdriver. Very good. So that is tape measure. Okay, very good. So very good, class. You understand our lesson for today. So if you have no questions, we have a short quiz for today's lesson. So get 1/4 sheet of paper in our short quiz. So class, this is only 5 items quiz. So first, it is used for loosen or tighten screws with slotted heads or 4 points. So second, it is a flexible ruler used to measure size or distance. Third, it is used for gripping something round like a pipe or rod, twisting wires, and designed to be used for combination of tasks including cutting wires. So four, it is a type of fastener used for holding wires together, primarily electrical cables or wires, and bundled together to keep them organized. Last is a type of pressure sensitive tape used to insulate electrical wires and other materials that conduct electricity. Okay, pass your papers. So for our assignment, so advanced study, the machine tools equipment, advanced study class. So thank you for your participation for today's discussion. Your There's no question. Okay, very good. So I be leading in our closing prayer. Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. So, amen. So, goodbye, class. Okay, goodbye.